I suppose I've done a lot of bad things. I had to punish myself. I want to get another chance. I don't know if I could do it any other way.
Идиот, что такое?
The most beautiful thing is to be a child. Having everything. Everything is yet to come. What I remember. What I want. Who I was. What will I become? I'm lost. I'm all alone. Wherever you hide yourself, it finds you. It is with you all the time. Nobody wants to talk.